the vet tonight. Don't fight. I don't want to go to the vet. Look at her hair. Look at her hair. Hey! Hey!
Shit.
Right? Well, wouldn't I like it? I think I'm doing this wrong. Stir in water. Cook and stir your meat until mixture boils. Boil, stir for 2 minutes. Okay. That works. Stir in oil. 4 cups of milk. Was that a growl or did you burp? Did you fart? Or burp? What did you do? Tell me.
I'm videotaping them.
Oh. Not anymore. You gotta tell me these things. Robert farted.
I didn't know that was a roar growling. Oh my god.
Whoa.
Damn.